How to use Couples Joy app for beginners. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to get started on using Couple Joy's app. So first things first is of course pull up your Google Play Store or any app store available on your device. And then of course look for Couples Joy, which is gonna be this one. Now make sure to download and install the same application that will be posted on your screen for you to be able to use it smoothly. Now open up the application, and this actually enables setting up shared widgets, days together, distance, answering daily questions, tracking mods, managing shared journals, making it ideal for long distance relationship connectivity. For you to start over, you can go ahead and tap on Let's Get Started. And then this is very simple. You just need to follow on screen prompts like setting up your name, your email address, make sure that it is valid so that you can add credits to your account. And that's basically it. That is how you use Couples Joy app for beginners.